Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve a differential equation with variable coefficients reducible to equation with constant coefficient. So, what we have studied it in previous classes, it is of solving differential equation with the constant coefficients only. But now our differential equation which have a variable coefficients, but we can't solve it directly. We convert that type of differential equation to a differential equation with constant coefficient. Now our equation which is in this form. See, earlier with constant coefficient means ax plus b whole square term were not there in the given differential equation, yes or no? Only we had a naught into y double dash. But now it is with variable coefficient. X is a variable here. When you expand it, coefficient of y double dash, it is nothing but a variable. So observe y dash also have some variable as a coefficient ax plus b. But you need to observe that it is in some standard form like ax plus b. Here what form is a same form with y dash, you are getting it ax plus b. Y dash first derivative, so along with that power 1 of ax plus b is there. Along with y double dash power 2 of term ax plus b is there along with constant coefficients. And right hand side some function of x. So this type of differential equation is called as a differential equation with variable coefficient with some standard forms are there. So if any differential equation with variable coefficient in this form is called as Legendre's differential equation. Now after identifying the differential equation with some standard form, if you are getting it in this form, the differential equation, we came to know that it is of Legendre differential equation. So by identifying the forms, we can do it a simplification in some certain standard forms. Like we convert it now, this type of differential equation into a differential equation of constant coefficient. It means the variable should not be there along with y double dash and y dash. So we do some standard substitution. What is that substitution? If such type of differential equation, if you are coming across to solve that, substitute a log of ax plus b as t. That is a standard substitution. Or you can also write down as ax plus b is nothing but what? If you bring log to left side, it is nothing but e to the power of t. In any form you can express. So how it will get convert? So we have here y double dash, y dash. So let me discuss now with only y dash. So y dash means what it is? Dy by dx. When I convert it all x variable in terms of t variable, with this step substitution, I should see that how this y dash and y double dash also will get convert. So dy by dx, which can also be written in terms of t, I need to differentiate. So dy y differentiate with respect to t. So we write it as dy by dt. To compensate with dy by dx, what? dt should get cancelled, so I multiply it by dt by dx, and we don't know any term of dy by dt, y equal to, we are not obtaining it, so let me write that term as it is dy by dt. But what is dt by dx we know. How it can be calculated? If you differentiate this with respect to x, so dt by dx is equal to, differentiate this with right hand side with respect to x. So what you will get? Log of some function. We know the derivative of log of some function is 1 by that function. So 1 by ax plus b. Then differentiate this bracket term with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1, so into a. Derivative of constant b is 0. Now if I bring this ax plus b to left hand side along with dy by dx. So what we get? Ax plus b into dy by dx. What is left out in the right hand side? A into dy by dt. If we take dy by dt as capital D. In the previous problems and all, with the differential equation with constant coefficient, we used to take capital D differential operator as d by dx. Now here I am converting into in the form of t. Hence capital D differential operator, keep it in mind, it is of the form d by dt. Variable is here, independent variable is t. So if I write it using differential operator, using differential operator, what I will get? Ax plus b dy by dx. If I write it as y dash, right hand side will become a into capital D into y. So with this substitution, you understood that in this equation, ax plus b into y dash can be substituted as a into capital D into y. Where this equation, see, from the variable, it reduced with only some constant. So our intention here to reduce this differential equation, equation with variable coefficient, convert it with constant coefficient. So in the same way, there is a simplification to convert it ax plus b whole square y double dash also with constant coefficient. This part of simplification I will ignore here. You need to remember it like what should be get convert. So ax plus b into y dash, we learned that it should get convert as a into d into y with this standard substitution. Similarly, ax plus b whole square y double dash will get convert as a square into d square minus d into y. You can ignore it this step also. You can remember it. Ax plus b whole square y double dash can get convert as a square into d minus 1 into y. One term will be extra, d minus 1. Okay. Now substitute these two in equation 1. In this equation you have to substitute wherever ax plus b whole square y double dash is there. Substitute a square into d minus 1. In the place of ax plus by dash, we substitute it a into dy, a to y as it is. And here right hand side, I am converting it everything in the left hand side in terms of t with this substitution. So right hand side also x should get converted in terms of t. So from this step I can write it down x. How? Bring this b to left side. So ax you get e to the power of t minus b. So x will be e to the power of t minus b divided by a. This simplification I will show in the next here. So phi of x will get converted as in terms of t is x with that substitution e to the power of t minus b divided by a. With this substitution, using this we converted x. Okay. So substitute in the place of x as e to the power of t minus b divided by a. So instead of writing everywhere that form, we write it phi of x in terms of t means capital F of t. Here observe that the substitution with constant coefficient is done. Now if you simplify, you get here some function of d, f of d, and that also will be with some constant coefficient. A is also constant, a naught is also constant, yes or no? Here all you are getting it only with constant. There is no variable x. So you get a differential equation here, f of d into y equal to f of t form. So you have to observe mainly here that differential operator d is nothing but here d by dt. So this get convert into a differential equation of constant coefficient. With the previous methods what we have studied it, apply those methods to solve it, a differential equation with constant coefficient. Then in that answer we resubstitute it, what substitution we have taken here. We resubstitute in that answer. So we get a differential equation with variable coefficient, that is nothing but differential equation of Legendre. Now if for example you get with a differential equation with third order, so how ax plus b whole cube into y triple dash will get convert further as a get converted for linear for square a square, and similarly for cube it is a cube. For linear it was only d, for square it is d into d minus 1, then for cube is d into d minus 1 into d minus 2. Similarly power 4 is there, means a to the power of 4, d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into d minus 3, like that, etc. Based on this power the number of terms are going to increase, and constant with a with the same power you are going to get. Okay, so this conversion you should know while solving the problems of Legendre. With main important is this substitution you should know. Okay, so let us solve some problems of Legendre differential equation. It is important that they will not tell that the given differential equation is Legendre. You need to identify the differential equation is of Legendre form. Then what standard substitution we are taking, the procedure for simplification should be applied. So now here observe that the given differential equation, let me keep observing here along with dy by dx. What it is there? Ax plus b form. What is a value? Coefficient of x is a value, it is 1. And b is 1. So along with dy by dx you have ax plus b form. Along with d square y by dx square also you have ax plus b form. Yes or no? So we identify this differential equation is of Legendre. So what is the standard substitution? We need to take t equal to log of ax plus b. Here ax plus b is nothing but x plus 1 or 1 plus x, any form. So t x, if I need to convert it in the right hand side, I may come across with the substituting for x. So I can also rewrite this bringing log to left side. So e to the power of t can be written as x plus 1. Now directly according to the simplification what I explained it generally, that you need to apply here. What it is? Ax plus b into dy by dx will get convert as formula a into capital D into y. What is a value? Coefficient of x is 1. Similarly the second order, what it will get convert? It converts into a square into d minus 1 into y. What is a value? 1. So 1 square. So keep it in mind. What is capital D? D by dt. So now substitute here. In this place, I'll substitute d into d minus 1. In this place, I'll substitute d in this y I have taken commonly out. Plus y equal to sine of 2 log of 1 plus x, directly substitution I can write it down as t. So when I simplify this, d into d square minus d and plus d get cancelled. What is left out? Only plus 1 will be left out into y sine 2t. Observe, you reduced it a differential equation which is of variable coefficient along with the differential derivatives. Here it will get converted into constant coefficient. So once I reduced it a differential equation to this form, we know how to solve it, yes or no? So find out a complementary function, particular integral, obtain the solution. So that simplification I showed it in the next page. Auxiliary equation will be what? M square plus 1 equated to 0. M square plus 1 is auxiliary equation. Using calculator solve it. M square equal to minus 1. So M equal to plus R minus I. Complex root. How to write complementary function? C1 into cos t plus C2 into sin t. Alpha is 0. Beta is 1. Yp. Since it is of 3 standard type, what we have said comes under that, the right hand side of the differential equation. Hence, we can use it inverse differential operator method to solve it, because it is a short, simple method compared to variation of parameter. Hence, this is of trigonometric function. So, which type I need to apply? Type 2 to find out the particular integral. So, sin 2t by d square plus 1. In type 2 for trigonometric function, what is the conversion? Replace wherever d square is there with a square with minus. What is a value here? 2. 2 square with minus. So, minus 4 plus 1 will be minus 3. They are written here minus, doesn't matter. And sin 2t as it is. So, this is yp. So, what will be the complete solution? Y is equal to yc plus yp. But the thing is, if I write it answer in the form of t, I get the solution for this differential equation. But I need to get the solution for this differential equation in terms of x. Answer should be in terms of x. So to get the answer in terms of x, I resubstitute it. Wherever t is there as log of 1 plus x, if directly e to the power of t is there, means I will substitute it as 1 plus x. So observe, c1 cos t is there, so log of 1 plus x I substituted, plus c2 sin t is log of 1 plus x, minus sin 2 into in place of t log of 1 plus x divided by 3. So this is a solution of differential equation of Legendre. Okay, so this is a method or a procedure for particular problem. I explained it. Initially you studied it, how to solve it, Legendre differential equation in general. Whatever may be the type of a function you get in the right hand side of the differential equation. Okay, thank you.